Do you want to invest in a job? Do you want to invest in a career? Or do you want to invest in a business? This is an opportunity that if you're interested, you need to take advantage of. And there's no time like the right time, which is the now time. This is worth your time, even if this is exploratory or if this is something you really seriously think you want to do. This would be a step to take. I'm glad I've taken this. I should have done this sooner. So this is something that everybody should take advantage of, because to reiterate, are you looking at a job, a career, or a business? You'll never get ahead working for somebody else. And if you want to let things happen and let life keep going like it is, if you want to make things happen, this is the way to do it. So I'm glad to be here, and I'm looking forward to it. So far, everything I've gotten has been worth every penny. I'm looking forward to the rest of it. You will too if you decide to take this path. If you want to make money, if you want to help people, and if you want to solve problems and provide solutions, this is the way to do it.